There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. Because at least as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.
No, my bitch so bad, you spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah. I'ma tell me boy don't last, so I ain't gon' slide if that shit ain't by the bag, yeah. My life changed so fast.